Well, here we are in Module 8, our last module of Leadership in an Online and Blended World. Let's take a look at what we're going to cover this week. Let's start in the discussion. For discussion 8.1, after you've read the content in textbook 8.1, you're asked to post a response to the following. What is your role as a digital age leader in your organization? And how have the experiences in this class changed your view of that role that you play? In 8.2 will be your personal action plan. You will submit your personal action plan in the View Projects section, as we have done each week, in a wiki site. Let's take a closer look at textbook 8.2. The directions for this project are here in the top content block. And if you scroll down, you'll see that there is a personal action plan template that you may wish to use, or you may wish to use another tool of your choice. Just make sure that whatever tool you use, this template or another, that you make considerations for all 7 areas that we have covered in the last 7 weeks of this course. We're asking you to take a look at the strength or need in this area, what action that's going to look like, who will be doing it, any notes you might have, and whether this is a short, medium, or long-term action. Let's look at the definitions of what we mean by short, medium, and long. In this content block, short-term is defined as an activity that can be accomplished in about 3 months or less. But short-term also means that it's an activity that you can accomplish on your own without the assistance from others in the organization. A medium-term activity is one that may take 3 to 6 months, and also one that will require you to collaborate with others in your organization. The definition for long-term is an activity that might take as much as a year, and that you will need to collaborate with others outside of your immediate organization. So this is the template. Use it if you wish. Here's the link. And then from there, you're going to post it to your wiki site. The second part of 8.2 goes back to the very first week, and that is that you will need and want to take a look at the timeline that you created in Module 1. You may want to edit that timeline based upon the activities we've done in the last 7 weeks. You're going to post that timeline also in your wiki site back on the launch page for 8.0. So here in 8.2 you see the directions we just talked about, and you'll see that number 2 is about the timeline we talked about as well. And again, here's where you click to get to your wiki site to post this information. The reflection this week, 8.3, is a little different. We're asking you to write a letter to a future student who will be taking this course. Consider the following in your letter. What about this course was most valuable? How have your views and ideas changed? And what advice would you offer to the next person taking this course? Well, that's it for Module 8. We'll see you online, and as always, let us know how we can help.